Okay, I want to start making this video because we're having some questions about how to do these problems. They're no different than the problems we did the other day, except previously we did no leading coefficient here. So it's just x and x. Our plus signs told us what went in here. And then we had to multiples of that, or factors of that rather, that add to this. This problem works the same way. The challenge becomes this. Now we have that 6 in there. So how do we figure that out? Which one is which? So we're going to have to figure all the factors of this and all the factors of that. So what are all the factors of 6 that could possibly go in here? We could have 6 and 1. We could have 2x plus something times 3x plus something. We don't know what those are yet, what they'll possibly be yet, right? How do we go to that next step? So these are our choices. Since this is positive, that's positive, we only have to worry about 2. Could we flip these around and say this is 3x, this is 2x? Yes. Do we need to? No. Factors of 4. Well, we could have 4 and 1. We could have 1 and 4, because these two are going to matter which one is multiplied to which thing. Or we could have 2 and 2. So we may have to check this one with all 3 of those combinations. We may have to check it with that, with all those combinations. So we could have to do this 6 different times. So let's start plugging them in and seeing what happens. If I use 6 and 1, 6 times, or 6x plus 1, I'm going to use this one first. Means a 4 goes here. Well, if I do this, there's x. 20, way too much, right? Okay, so let's do the next one. Let's change it. Let's put a 4 here and a 1 here. 6 times 1 is 6x. 4 and 1, 4x. 10x. Not enough. Those two don't work. How about 2 and 2? 6 times 2 is 12. Since they're all positive, already too much. That doesn't work, so it's not going to be that. Go down to this one. Start over again. 4 and 1, 1 and 4, 2 and 2. I say let's try 1 and 4 again. A 1 of 4. 2 times 4 gives us 8x. 3 times 1 is 3x, 11x. So our solution becomes 2x plus 1 times 3x plus 4. How do we know if we FOIL it all back together? So this is our check part, FOIL. 3 times 2, 6x squared, plus 2 times 4, 8x, 1 times 3 plus 3x, 4 times 1 plus 4, so 6x squared plus 11x plus 4. And you're good. Hopefully this helps clarify how to solve these when you're done. If it doesn't help and I need to do another one, let me know.